time when I'll come in. Is it coincident that I came out of the jail on the day that the late Mr. Mgomezulu passed on? The lawyer who was active in this matter, the lawyer who had the interest of those 5 guys at his heart to see them out. I'm not talking about the current lawyers, these ones. These ones are not interested.
Well, those are the words of Advocate Teffo, who says the late Advocate Thulani Joshua Ngomezulu was fighting for the interests of the accused. He was very active in the case, and which is a huge difference, and I'm paraphrasing here, compared to the other defense attorneys. Now, the question I have for you, wait till I finish asking the question before you start typing, okay? I can already see you. Wait. Do you agree with Advocate Teffo's assertion that the defense team, the present defense team, is not fighting for the rights of the accused? So there's a difference between fighting for the accused and representing the accused. So I would say representing is a passive role, being there just to, I would say paper pusher. So going through the processes and motions of what needs to be done, as opposed to being fighting for the rights of the accused, that you are in it, okay? You are inside Pagati within. Let me give you an example. Umnisi Wemvula standing up to say, come on now, this is very, very unprocedural. I don't know. For me, that's a huge demonstration of that the defense is fighting for the rights of the accused as opposed to just representing them. Let me know your thoughts. Let's open up the conversation, okay? And I want us to keep it at we listen, we don't judge. Let me know what you think. But let's continue on. The reason I'm sharing this video is I actually meant to share it earlier. I forgot to share it with you. I actually got a comment in my previous video about Shololo and the comments that Advocate Therefore said about Shololo. But, and someone also said, I love how you say Shololo. Please, I adopted it from George Valoy, okay? And then someone also said, I love your accent. I love how you imitate George Valoy when he speaks and he says, yeah, my lord. So, you see, my lord, see, because he talks through his teeth. Like he doesn't open his mouth. I feel like screaming, like, open your mouth. What are you saying? But I digress. Here's the comment I want to read to you today. It says, after hearing Teffo say he wrote a letter to legal aid on the 23rd or the 24th of June 2025 to withdraw the funds for the current defense in SENZO MEYIWA case because he believes they are in it for the money and not justice. I lost all my respect for him. He might have facts on certain statements he makes, but for me to believe what he is saying about Shololo and accused number 5, I need evidence. We also have vocal accused number 5 was in the Boxbag Magistrate Court. You know what? I'm going to look for that clip. I'll play you the clip. I'm going to find the clip, okay? I know I watched it on Netflix. I'm going to see if I can find it somewhere else and then I can play it for you guys. Because Netflix is a dragon, okay? So let's listen to the rest of what Advocate Teffo says and let me know your thoughts, okay? Down below.
That don't have the interest of this guy at their heart. Their interest is in the money of our taxpayers' money, our tax money, the money from Legal Aid, South Africa. Yeah. So now, Malesela Teffo Pro Bono Foundation is going to kick out the legal aid out of that SENZO MEYIWA case. We are going to take over the case of SENZO MEYIWA. Okay,
so Advocate Teffo says his brand new foundation is going to take over the role of legal aid and then kick out the mandate of the defense team that is presently inside Pagati within the courtroom. So legal aid is the instructing attorneys right now, okay? Right now as we speak is the instructing attorneys of the defense team. But for legal aid to become the instructing attorneys, their clients are the accused. Stay with me, okay? Are you following so far? So then the question I have is, if Advocate Teffo is saying his organization is going to kick out legal aid, on whose mandate? Is it on Advocate Teffo's mandate, or is it the mandate of the accused persons? And if it's of the accused persons, are the accused persons aware about this action that's coming forth? Let me know in the comment section down below.
Yes. Now it's going to be under the Mzansi Teffo pro bono. The lawyers from Mzansi Teffo, the lawyers will be assigned to this matter, and then we'll be watching.
Oh, and then obviously that's how the public can help now when they fundraise.
Yes, the donors and everything, but now it's not like if they do fundraise, they do fundraise. But now for that purpose, we are having the interest of these innocent people who have been harassed now. So in this case, these guys were supposed to have been long been out. And for little did people know in this country about these five who are before the case, before Pretoria High Court, allegedly the murderers of SENZO MEYIWA. Like in my situation, they are not charged. They are not charged about the murder of SENZO MEYIWA.
What?
These five guys, they are not charged. I mean, what does it mean that? And what is the implication of that? It means that these guys are there, alleged of murder of SENZO MEYIWA, but they were not informed in terms of the constitution, their rights. You see.
Why are you so committed to the SENZO MEYIWA case?
I'm committed to the justice. I'm committed to the justice in total, and not specifically in this case. The case of SENZO MEYIWA, it's in law we say each and every case has got its own merit. But now in this regard, there's a clear picture, or let me put it like this. In this regard, despite the fact that SENZO MEYIWA is our national icon, see, but now when the police, when the NPA, in total, the state, knowing that who's supposed to come before the court and give the answer as to what happened to SENZO MEYIWA, the state just decided to tell the blind eye to the right people who must be before the court and tell the story about what happened to SENZO MEYIWA. They went and fetched innocent people.
Whoa. Okay. So Advocate therefore says the five accused have not been charged, okay, in the unaliving of SENZO MEYIWA. But then one would be tempted to say there's a charge sheet. And one would also be tempted to say, so what were they doing in the Boksburg Magistrate Court? This is an open discussion, guys. I'm not casting any aspersions. But I also believe that the masterminds had also said Bongani Ntanzi was not charged. Yeah, if I'm remembering correctly. So yeah, let's open up this conversation. I want us to digress into, were the five accused charged? If not, court has been ongoing for years upon years with no charges. How is that even possible? But then in the current phase that the court is in, Baloyi and I want to think Ngumalo referred to a charge sheet. So I do know there's a difference between a charge sheet and being charged. So yeah, I want to find out what your thoughts are on Advocate Teffo's aspersions, okay, at this point, based off of that. Let me know your thoughts in the comment section down below. That is it from me today. Remember to like, to comment, to subscribe. Yes, I see the likes. I'm not they truly do excite me, and I see the huge change. Please don't stop the behavior. Like the video at the beginning so that when a call comes in, you see, even me, I was recording and a call came in, but I didn't let the call distract me. I just took the call, came back really fast, and then continued to record. So you see, it happens. It happens that while you're in the middle of watching Mzansi Unfiltered, a call can come in and then you won't have liked the video. So that's why you want to take care of business, okay? At the beginning, hit the like button, and at the end of the video, if you feel it wasn't worth your like, you can take back the like. You just tap again over there. But I love it so much. I am seeing the likes, and I'm seeing you're not taking back the likes. So I just want to take a moment to say I thank you. I love it so much. Take care. Have a great day. Bye.